Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm at my site, Die Hard for Education, at the Tools and Resources page. Now, with this, there are some things that if you want to go in business online that you must have. This is not a request. If you want to truly do the business online, you have to have these tools. That's it. You can't do it otherwise. And it's just wishful thinking if you're going to try and do it without them, because that's the rules. You have to have these tools. That's all there is to it. Now, here we go down here. The first tool is an autoresponder. Well, I use Get Response here, the email autoresponder. And of course, I go here, right, and here's the page for it. So and you get, you can sign up free with us now. It's free for the first 1,000 subscribers that you get. So yeah, you can get a free account for free until you get 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, so that's really good. So they've just changed that, so that's a really good deal. All-in-one online marketing software to grow your business. That's exactly right. What it is. And you can they have videos to teach you how to use it as well, and it's free. You get a free account, so it's good. See, create free account. So that's the first one. Okay, that's the first one there. And the second one is that I recommend is Groove CM, and this one here is the same. This is a page builder, but it's actually got a combination of 17 apps. So it replaces quite a few things. I'll show you the page for that right here. So it's world's fastest growing CM and marketing automation platform, and 550,000 plus and growing. So join the fastest growing funnel building platform. So you see, so there's a video here, but it's gone now. So it must have played through. I don't know if it has or not. Get started right now for free. So that's what I said. It's free. And you see, you got all 17 of these powerful apps. See, so you've got all these here, not all these apps. See, right here. Okay, and then it's just I'll go down a little bit further because I can show you something else. Oh, okay, yeah. Here's some more testimonials. Here we are. This is what we want. And Groove CM, which means customers matter, replaces all these things here. So you can kind of read this yourself, but WordPress, ClickFunnels, Shopify, all these are replaced by Groove CM. So, and it's free. So to start, so get started free today and save yourself 27,000 a year. So there you go, and it doesn't cost you anything. So to start, right? But they do recommend you that you upgrade to Pro. So anyway, that's that. That's the Groove CM, which is necessary. This is for funnel building and everything like that. Blog building. All these are all the apps here. So you've got Groove Pages and you've got Groove Funnels, which replaces ClickFunnels. See, ClickFunnels. See, Wix and Smart Squeeze Page. Squarespace is Groove Pages. Active Campaign for Groove Mail, and so if that's for SoundCart or Fusion Soft for Groove Cell. So you've got all these apps, 17 of them, so which is really good, that you get, and it's all for free. So at the start, so there you go. Here he is. There's a video, which tells you that they are the fastest growing. So that's Groove CM. And then the last one, right, which is this one here, Click Magic, right, which is a tracking tool. You need this for tracking where your traffic's coming from, what page, split testing, and what pages are performing and what aren't, and which ones you should keep using and which ones you should drop. So very important that, very important. So to put it this way, it's the difference between making a profit or making money and not making money. That's what that is. And that's here, over here. Here it is here, track and improve your marketing with true tracking. Okay, click tracking and conversion attribution. That's right. See, so it tells you where your traffic's coming from and where it's converting and which pages are doing the best. And you can drop the ones that aren't, because it tells you that, it shows you which is doing the best. Fun part of running your business online, but you also have to get it right. So we obsess over tracking, so you don't have to. See, so that's that. So yeah, and you can pick between these two. So, and you get, see, try click magic, free for 14 days. You only got a free 14-day trial like ClickFunnels here. But if you just go for the first plan anyway, it's only $37 a month. So it's not too bad. I'll show you that actually. We'll go down there. Go down and see. No, I have to click one of the yellow buttons to get that to happen. But it's 14 days free trial, so you do that first, and then it's $37 a month after the 14 days trial, which isn't bad, And if you got the other two for free, I mean, well, you're not going to be paying out a huge amount. So anyway, those are the three that I recommend. There is one other, but you don't need that at the moment. So, and you can, if you can't do without this one, because if you try to do without it, you're just going to screw yourself over, because you're not going to know where your traffic's coming from and which pages are converting and which pages aren't converting. It's very important to get this right, you see, very important. And so that's how that is, and that's on my resource page here at at diehardforeducation.com/tools dash resources. Yeah, that's where it is, so that's the page if you want to get to it. And that's the video. Hope that's been helpful to you. But these tools are necessary, so otherwise you can't do the business properly. There's just no way that's going to happen for you. It's just not. It's just the way it is. This is how it is. I've got these tools together because they're the best that I can find, because well, 2 out of 3 are free. So, yeah. Alright, so I'll leave it at that, and I'll say, well, thank you for watching, and if you like the video, click on the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, thank you, and I'll see you again. Bye.